Have you ever looked at a pile of discarded wood and seen hope? Have you ever walked past a shipping pallet behind a grocery store and imagined it as a stunning rustic coffee table or a beautiful piece of wall art? If you have, you are in the right place. And if you haven't, you are about to have your mind blown. Pallet wood is the ultimate resource for DIYers. It's rugged, it's full of character, and best of all, it's usually free. Hi everyone, welcome back to HopeTube. I'm so glad you're here. On this channel, we believe in creating beauty out of the ordinary. Today, we are diving deep into the world of wood pallet art. I'm going to show you how to find safe pallets, how to prep them, and walk you through 3 distinct projects that will transform your home. So grab your hammer and let's get building. Before we make any sawdust, we have to talk about safety. This is the most important part of the video. Not all pallets are created equal. Since we are bringing this wood into our homes, we need to make sure it's safe for you and your family. When you are hunting for pallets, look for a stamp on the side of the wood. You are looking for the letters HT. This stands for heat treated. This means the wood was kiln dried to kill pests. It is safe to use. However, if you see the letters MB, that stands for methyl bromide. That is a toxic chemical. Do not use those pallets. Leave them alone. Also, avoid any pallets that look like oil was spilled on them or ones that smell funny. When in doubt, throw it out. Once you have your safe pallet, the hard work begins, taking it apart. You can use a crowbar and hammer, which is great exercise, or if you have a reciprocating saw, also known as a sawzall, you can slice right through the nails to save time. After it's apart, you have to sand it down. Pallet wood is naturally very rough. I like to start with 80 grit sandpaper to knock off the splinters and dangerous edges, and then I finish with 120 grit for a smoother feel. This is actually where the magic happens. Once the dirt comes off, you'll start to see the beautiful, aged grain underneath. Let's jump into project number 1. Since we are HopeTube, let's make some inspirational wall art. This is perfect for beginners. Take 3 or 4 of your sanded boards and lay them face down. You'll want to cut 2 smaller strips of wood to go across the back vertically. These act as your braces. Simply screw or nail the braces into the main boards to hold them all together. Now you have a solid wood canvas. You can leave it natural, but I love staining pallet wood. It soaks up the color unevenly, highlighting the knots and nail holes, which gives it that authentic farmhouse look. Once the stain is dry, take some white acrylic paint. You can freehand a design or use a stencil. I'm writing the word hope here. I recommend using a dry brush technique. That means you dip your brush, wipe most of the paint off, and lightly drag it over the wood. This makes the paint look weathered and aged instantly. Add a hanger on the back and it's ready for your living room.